How to log into X app, formerly known as Twitter. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the X app. After you are in the app, you'll see this kind of app interface. Now, in order to log into your account, here you can see the login option. Tap on it. You must have already created your account before in order to log in. So you need to provide the same credentials which you used to create your account before. If you created your account with your phone number, you can enter it over here. If you created using email address, then you need to enter your email address, or you can even enter your username if you remember. After that, tap on next. Now you'll need to provide the password of your account. Once you are done, you can tap on this login option in the bottom right. You will be easily logged into your account. Similarly, if you have created your account using the Google, over here in this screen, you can see this continue with Google option. Tap on it. You can select the Google account saved in your phone which you used to create your account before. And that's it. You'll be easily logged into your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.